everyone, my name is Jerica and I'll be taking up account management at Sheridan College. I'm really excited about experiencing a new culture and of course the learnings that I will have with Sheridan. I'm really excited about that because as mentioned, I really want to enhance my skills. And at the same time, I'm really excited about the novelty of being in a new place. So I'm really looking forward to that. My first tip would be to apply with IDP for a great experience and just really know which path you're going to take and make sure that the decision that you will make in I guess studying abroad would really align with your own personal goals. Thank you, IDP, Sheridan, and Travel Club.